You need to hear this if you're an insect fan. Tester is curious about insects and should love this video. Get ready for some of the most fascinating insects. Some are beautiful, such as butterflies. Some are helpful, like ladybugs. And some can make you go, yuck. There are a lot of those. First off, what is an insect? Insects are invertebrates with a 3-part body, 3 pairs of jointed legs, compound eyes, and a pair of antennae. They are the largest group within the arthropod phylum. Insects have an open circulatory system and inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide through holes called spiracles in their exoskeleton. Insect blood, also known as hemolymph, is typically clear but can be greenish or yellowish. First up, the orchid mantis, the master of disguise. The orchid mantis, Hymenopus coronatus, is a praying mantis that mimics the appearance of a pink orchid flower. It has white and pink coloring, petal-shaped lobes on its legs, and a broad abdomen. The orchid mantis can change its color to shades of pink and purple to match the orchids in its habitat. It uses its shape and colors to attract prey and trick predators. This bug looks just like a flower. The orchid mantis lives in bushes and small trees that have white and pink flowers. Then there's the assassin bug, a true ninja of the insect world. It's best to leave these bugs alone. Their bite can be extremely painful, and at least one variety can carry disease. According to Science Focus, the assassin bug is the 5th most dangerous animal on the planet. Next, we have the dung beetle, nature's cleanup crew. Dung beetles are a large group of beetles that feed on feces. They are oval-shaped, stout, and have clubbed antennae. They are usually found on, near, and beneath feces. Dung beetles are strong flyers with long flight wings that can travel several miles in search of dung. They have spurs on their back legs to help them roll dung balls, and strong front legs for fighting and digging. They can also detect dung from the air with their specialized antennae. The Titan beetle is a giant, almost the size of your hand. The Titan beetle, Titanus giganteus, is a neotropical longhorn beetle, the sole species in the genus Titanus, and one of the largest known beetles, as well as one of the largest known insects, at over 170 mm, 6.7 in length. Adult Titan beetles only live for a few weeks and protect themselves from predators with their sharp spines and powerful jaws. Stick insects? They're the ultimate hide-and-seek champions. You may have walked past hundreds of these insects during your travels. SND never spotted a one. The Phasmatodea are an order of insects whose members are variously known as stick insects, stick bugs, walking sticks, stick animals, or bug sticks. They are also occasionally referred to as devil's darning needles, although this name is shared by both dragonflies and crane flies. The average lifespan for stick and leaf insects is 12 months, but in captivity, they can live longer. Most stick insects are harmless to humans, but some varieties can emit fluids that can cause temporary blindness if it gets in your eyes. So make sure you know which kinds are found in your area. Goliath beetles can lift 850 times their own weight. Goliath beetles are any of the 6 species in the genus Goliathus. Goliath beetles are among the largest insects on Earth, if measured in terms of size, bulk, and weight. They are members of subfamily Cetoninae, within the family Scaraboeidae. They do have strong pincers for biting, but rarely bite unless severely provoked. The Goliath beetle, named after the biblical giant Goliath, is the world's biggest beetles and one of the biggest insects in the world, reaching up to 4 inches long. Found in Africa's tropical rainforests, the beetles live off of tree sap and fruit. Atlas moths have wingspan as wide as a ruler. The atlas moth, Atticus atlas, is a large moth native to Asia. It has a wingspan of up to 24 centimeters. The moth's wings are reddish-brown with black triangular patterns. The atlas moth is part of the Saturnidae family, which includes giant silkworm moths. The moth's wings have thousands of tiny overlapping scales. The atlas moth is not harmful to humans or households. Midas flies. Think King Midas to remember them. The Myididae, or Midas flies, are a cosmopolitan family of flies, meaning they have a wide distribution, but are usually excluded from polar regions, oceans, deserts, and small islands. They are generally large in size, including the largest known fly, Gauromidas heros. Many of the species, in addition to their large size, are mimics of stinging hymenopterans, especially wasps. Despite their size and intimidating appearance, Midas flies are perfectly harmless. Hercules beetles, the strong men of the insect world. The Hercules beetle, Dynasty's Hercules, is a rhinoceros beetle that is known for its strength and size. It is the longest extant species of beetle in the world, and is also one of the largest flying insects in the world. Hercules beetles are named after a mythological hero who was known for his strength. They can lift hundreds of times their own weight. Hercules beetles are harmless to people. Queen Alexandra's birdwings, butterflies that'll leave you speechless. Queen Alexandra's birdwing, Ornithoptera alexandrae, is the largest and arguably the most beautiful butterfly in the world. This magnificent species, in which the female may have a wingspan of up to 30 centimeters, was discovered in Papua New Guinea. Hummingbird hawk moths, small but mighty. The hummingbird hawk moth is a small, day-flying moth that can be found in temperate regions of Eurasia. It is named for its resemblance to hummingbirds, as it hovers in the air while feeding on nectar from tube-shaped flowers using its long proboscis. The hummingbird hawk moth has orange-brown hindwings, grayish-brown forewings, and a black and white checkered body. The hummingbird moth can be found not only in North America but in Europe, Africa, and Asia. Thorn bugs with their incredible armor. Thorn bugs are insects in the genus Umbonia that are known for their thorn-like appearance and are part of the Membracidae insect family. These thorn-like protrusions on their backs act as a wonderful camouflage to prevent detection by predators. They also act as protective armor if attacked. These insects cut into the stem of the plant and feed on its sap. The females of most species cut into the bark to lay their eggs and often sit on their eggs to protect them. In some species, there is even collaborative egg minding between females. Buckmoth caterpillars, don't let their cute looks fool you. The hairs or spines are what stick into your skin and contain a toxin that causes the sting, burn, irritation, pain, swelling, and possible allergic reaction. You should try to remove any visible spines the caterpillar left behind. According to Dr. Elder, removing the spines can decrease symptom duration. The buckmoth is a common insect found in oak forests, stretching in the United States from peninsular Florida to New England, and as far west as Texas and Kansas. Isoptera, also known as termites, masters of teamwork. Termites are a group of insects that eat decaying plant material like wood, leaf litter, and soil humus. They are known as silent destroyers because they can chew through wood, flooring, and wallpaper without being detected. Termites can be a threat to wooden structures, but they are not usually dangerous to humans. While termites may bite when threatened, their bites are typically harmless. However, people with sensitive skin may have allergic reactions. And finally, cicadas, the serenaders of summer. If you live in an area with these insects, you no doubt know their name. Cicadas are insects in the order Hemiptera and the suborder Achinorhyncha. They are not harmful to humans, pets, household gardens, or crops. Cicadas are known for their loud mating calls, which are actually an important way for them to find each other to reproduce. Male cicadas have a special instrument called a timbre that makes a clicking sound. They make this sound over and over so rapidly that it sounds like a constant hum. Periodical cicadas spend most of their lives underground as nymphs, feeding off the sap of tree roots. They emerge to transform into adults and mate. Some periodical cicadas emerge every 13 years and others emerge every 17 years. We currently have identified 1 million types of insects. It is estimated there may still be 10 million more insect species to identify. Insects are truly amazing, just like Tester thinks. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching from your friends Tester, Evaluator, and Grandpop. Keep exploring and stay curious.